This is the train number 11 here and I'm here to tell you this is a special video of mine, and it's gonna be the unboxing of two things. The first thing is the Tomica freight train. And this is Tomica in Japanese. This is Tomica in Japanese. It comes with
oh my god.
Comes with 1, 2, 3.
Oh my
It
god.
comes with
That's
five.
so cool.
It comes with 5 cars. So and later, and I have freight cars in my basement. So I'm gonna link them up together and make a long freight train. I'm gonna turn the fan on so you can see.
Hey.
All right. Oh, all right. Now it's time to open this tape. I can at least crack a little. I had to put this down. Do you know like how I did on the rare crossing video? How I open it? Yeah, I had to do that. Ooh, cool. So this is it. Comes with an engine, freight cars, a tank car, express box car, this Hyper car, and a flat car. Now let's. Ooh, the tank car was easy to take out, and the flat car. I'm gonna link these up together. How am I gonna get these out? It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. Ugh! I need to put it down again. Ugh. Come on. I'm sorry, everyone. This is taking a while. There we go. I got one car out, and I need to get more. Ooh, I can open. Okay. Oh no. I will. Please tell me. I think it's supposed to do that. Please tell me. Oh no. I'm sorry. At least I didn't break it. Oh, it's hard. I'm sorry you had to wait for me to leave it down. Yeah. I'll unwrap it later. Let me put this on. I need to flip it over again. I'm sorry. I just need to. I'm sorry, everybody. Everyone, this is gonna take a while. This was whoever had the idea of putting wrap on this is a dumb head. You know, I'm sorry, everybody. And why did I show my face again? It's fun. Come on. I'm sorry, everybody. This is taking forever. I just don't want this to break. Ow! I'm gonna have to put it on my ear. This is BS. At least I got the stuff off. You know what? I'm gonna make 2 parts.